We are top 1%
Perfect. Ano ulit?
university worldwide. For University of Wollongong, gusto ko itong iwan sa inyo. Maybe 6 reasons. Scholarship. One-stop shop siya kasi we have on-campus accommodations as well. So you can
Hello and welcome back to a brand new episode of our podcast for this morning entitled Migrate Set Go, the Ponsel Pod. And we are really fortunate and we are really glad that Yes Education send the one and only Miss Angel from University of Wollongong. Let's give a round of applause to our representative for this morning.
Good morning, everyone. Hi.
Good morning.
Morning.
We are really blessed that she is really here. Miss Angel, pakilala ka naman sa ating mga solid mga kabansal.
Wow, yes. So, good morning, everyone. Natuwa naman ako sa blessed, no?
Yes, we are really blessed.
So, my name is Angel Grace Cardano. So, sabi nga nila, Angel na may grace pa. That's my name.
Kaya nga blessed eh.
Yeah. And I am the school representative of University of Wollongong, Australia.
Yes. Hello, Miss. Good morning and welcome to the Bonsal Pod. And for this morning, wala tayong ibang gagawin kundi inform ang ating Filipino viewers why University of Wollongong is the best pathway when it comes to your study and migration in Australia. Miss, pa-introduce naman sa amin ano ang ganap ni University of Wollongong when it comes to studying and migration.
Okay, sure. So, University of Wollongong fortunately partners with Yes Education.
Yes,
and of course,
exactly.
with the Bansal. So, it means for anyone who's interested in studying University of Wollongong, you can tap, of course, the Bansal education. And for University of Wollongong, sinabi ko Australia because we have a multiple campuses.
Wow,
globally.
multiple campuses.
Yeah, so
like
we
how
have
many?
Around mga 5, 6.
Grabe, so far 5.
So we have in Dubai, we have in India, we have in Riyadh, we have in Malaysia, and Australia, of course.
Yes, exactly.
And then we have some satellite campuses like Singapore and China.
Ooh. So the schools are really available across different countries in a way.
But
So
I am
malawak ang
more
network.
I'm more on Australia.
Yes, more on Australia na po. So ngayon, binisita tayo ng the one and only Miss Angel para at least mas magabayan tayo when it comes to, connecting us also with University of Wollongong under Yes Education. So ready ka na ba sa mga tanong?
Oh my God. Wala kang
Hindi naman sa pressure kita, pero yung mga tanong namin talaga life-changing. Okay lang?
Okay lang.
Hindi, life-changing in a way na mababago ang buhay
Of course.
ng ating mga viewers.
Yeah.
Alright? So first and foremost, gaya nga ng sinabi mo po kanina, things about University of Wollongong, pwede mo ba bang ipakilala ang mga pathways na available when it comes to University of Wollongong under Yes Education?
Okay, sure. So University of Wollongong offering a wide range of courses. And of course, with the student pathway, you need to have a student visa of course.
Yes.
It will be a student pathway. You can choose your programs under undergraduate courses or programs, postgraduates, and research.
More on higher ed.
Yes, more on higher ed. Plus, we also have the college.
Our Filipino viewers, mga kabansal this morning, huwag kayong kabahan regarding to the grades na meron kayo. So, eventually, University of Wollongong will eventually help you. And we, here in Bansal, Philippines, we're going to help you align, especially that's the most important, of course, aligning you to the right pathway when it comes to studying and migration in Australia. And we have also with Yes Education, University of Wollongong. Miss Angel, we have her, okay? So with that also, napag-usapan natin, how about eligibility? Let's talk about eligibility. Kamusta ang status niyan when it comes to applying to University of Wollongong?
Okay, so ito yung medyo misconception or parang hindi nila natatakot sila mag-apply for university. Kapag sinabi kasi nilang university, ang una lang mapapaisip is mahal.
Yes, actually.
At mahirap makapasok. And the good thing with University of Wollongong is we're very flexible. To the point na yung ibang institutions are require na PRC license if you're coming from a Section 2. But for us, we're very flexible na ina-accept namin if you're graduated from the old curriculum
mga basic
with or without experience or fresh graduates.
Nice. Welcome to the University of Wollongong. Yung Wollongong parang yung spelling na pag sinearch mo, Ang hirap.
Parang
Di
mahirap,
ba?
yeah.
Pero inform natin ng ating mga viewers, kamusta ba ang ranking ng University of Wollongong?
Okay.
Di
With the
ba?
ranking, ito na.
Ito na,
So
dito
we
na
have
siya.
we receive and recognize we are recognized by different bodies. So
Mhm.
may iba't ibang faculties recognitions and also a ranking. But most likely, ito yung pinakakilala, we are top 1%
Perfect. Ano ulit?
university worldwide. Ibig sabihin, sa buong mundo, we have hundreds of universities, and kasama kami doon sa mga top 1.
Perfect.
Top 1% universities
Top
worldwide.
yarn.
Top yarn. So, ibig
Diba?
sabihin po, with the different evaluations and also assessment, we are rated sa top 1% kasi lahat ng aspects ng buhay ng estudyante, we're able to support them. Academics, socials, financials, kahit employability, especially employability, and legalities. So lahat ng aspects ng buhay ng estudyante, we're able to support them. Plus, we have a good facilities.
Okay.
We have a good networks. Since padami kaming campus, like we have in Dubai, we have in India, we have in China, yung mga estudyante, if they would like to do internship or placement outside Australia, then we can do that. Kasi medyo malaki na yung network ng University of Wollongong.
That's nice.
And then we are also recognized by different bodies. For example, for our nursing, we are top 100 for nursing and for mining engineering. And then we are top 200 worldwide na to, hindi lang for Australia. Sa buong mundo ito, for our law, business, geography, geology, engineering, at marami pang iba.
Geophysics.
Yes.
Diba? So, ano bang hinihintay ninyo everyone? No? Choose University of Wollongong now. We here in Bansal, Philippines, we're going to check your profile and check natin kung pwede natin kayong ipadala na papunta sa University of Wollongong. And again, hinihintay na lang kayo ng University of Wollongong to pursue those said programming courses kanina. Diba? Archaeology,
and then
accounting.
We have 100 plus courses. For University of Wollongong, gusto ko itong iwan sa inyo, maybe 6 reasons.
6?
Why you might want to consider the University of Wollongong. Number 1 is the location. As I mentioned, it's a regional area, very accessible with Sydney. It's just 90 minutes away from
Lalabas dito yan.
Yeah, so we have the location advantage. And in terms of long-term goal, you can check with Bansal kung ano ba yung benefits ng regional area. The second one is the reputation. So we are globally recognized and also given by different awards by different bodies kasi marami kami mga faculties and courses na top class talaga. So we have a good reputations and good network. The third one is the course structure maybe. We have 100 plus courses, yet we open a lot of subjects for you to choose your own subjects or tailor fit it in your, it depends on your goals, and of course with the, included with the work integrated learning. So location, reputation, course structure, scholarship. So we're very generous to offer 20 to 30% discount for the whole course duration na. Hindi siya mataas at mahirap i-meet at manageable siya to get that scholarship. So we have 30% discount. The fifth one may be the support. No? Sabi ko nga kanina, lahat kailangan magbayad ng tuition fee, pero tatanungin mo worth it ba? So for University of Wollongong, it's very worth it. No? Madami kami mga support, maganda yung mga tools namin. We have Safe Zone app, we have 24/7 security, we have legalities, we have financial support as well, we have student loans, we have social clubs, and etc. No? And then the last one, maybe a one-stop shop siya kasi we have on-campus accommodations as well. So you can stay with us, you can live with us, and of course, employability. So yung meron kaming goal at saka I think it's our pride as well na hindi lang dapat diploma yung mag-gain mo sa pag-aaral sa amin, but also you will gain an Australian experience.
Oh yeah.
That's the main or parang end game mo eh. Mag-aral ka sa amin, makakuha ka ng diploma, makakuha ng Australian experience, plus you will get your employability within 4 months after completion of studies. So that's 6, no, employability. So I hope with this very short Ay, sila natin mag-usap.
Oo, very short. 2 hours.
Baka 2 hours lang.
2 hours na to. Ano lang, quick lang to ha, quick.
Yeah, so I hope for those reasons, no, yun din kailangan mong i-consider. At saka kung halimbawa naghahanap ka pa ng ibang opportunity, then of course you can tap Bansal Relegation.
Yes, and with that, grabe ang information, like overloading and everything. But you know what? Those are paras, very para sa inyong lahat yon. Okay?
Yeah.
It's very nice na na-invite natin si Miss Angel, no, from Yes Education, representing also the University of Wollongong to Australia to actually give us some insight, no, some peaks, no, ano ba ang buhay na naghihintay sa atin sa Australia. Again, Miss Angel, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Eugene.
Paalam ka naman sa ating mga viewers,
Ito
diba?
man po yung isang pinakamahirap gawin, ang magpaalam.
Oo, pero gaya na lang sinabi natin, Australia na lang ang naghihintay sa'yo, and who knows, we're going to see you around.
Yeah,
What
see
did
you.
you go? See you around. Again, that's the
Yeah.
conclusion of our episode for this morning. Again, this is Eugene, one of your education counselors here, and this is another episode of Migrate, Set, Go, the Consol Pod. See you next session. Thank you and goodbye. Bansal salamat!